Hey guys, welcome to this class, which is designed for those devs and more technical people who would like to know more about the projects that are building on Starknet and that are providing both educational and practical resources to the builders that are coding on the ecosystem. We'll start by covering some Web3 engineering companies that are building innovative tools for the Starknet ecosystem, and we would begin by mentioning Nethermind, a research and development company that has been creating blockchain solutions in terms of products for the whole industry, and they've been very active in the scaling field for the past year. Regarding their work on Starknet, they produced Warp, a compiler that allowed developers to transpile their Solidity contracts into fully operational Cairo contracts that can then be deployed on Starknet. For those of you who don't know it yet, Solidity is the most used language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum, and Cairo is the programming language used to work on Starknet and StarkX. Another tool that was developed by the Nethermind team is Voyager, the first Starknet block explorer to be created. Another research and development lab that is playing a leading role in experimenting with Starknet and the Cairo Programming Language is Lambda Class, whose skillful engineers created the Cairo RS, which is a Rust implementation of the Cairo virtual machine. We also need to mention the great work that the Space Shard Lab has done by creating a Starknet DevNet and by producing a lot of dev-friendly educational contents about Starknet. We also have Software Mention, a dev lab which produced Protostar, a development and testing toolchain that helps devs in the crucial phase of smart contract development and battle testing. And Protostar is a very useful suite of tools that gets updated and upgraded very frequently by the guys at Software Mention. Now let's have a small break before continuing with the analysis of the technical and the development focused framework on Starknet. See you on the next class. Bye!